Hello everybody, welcome back to another AI video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to write an entire ebook using ChatGPT. In particular, we're going to use ChatGPT 4, which is the new premium version, but it works just as well within ChatGPT 3. But I paid for 4, so I might as well use it. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. There's a few steps you need to take. And let me just show you real quickly here an example of a book that I've created, which, by the way, I'm going to give to you free. And you'll see here it says AI in a Minute presents Premiere Pro for new YouTubers. Pardon me, the guide. And it's a step-by-step process to become the best video editor you know. I chose this topic, A, because a lot of people are trying to learn Premiere Pro, don't get me wrong, and B, I know this program really well. So if GPT was making a bunch of nonsense, I would know it's nonsense. That's why I did this, because I'm very good with the program, and what it created is absolutely crazy. So it is a multi-prompt step, but I'm going to show it to you, and it's actually really easy to do. So here is the prompt, and you'll see here that you got to hit about, 4 different things you need to put in here. So I'm going to go ahead and start it. So I'm just going to copy and paste this here. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to a new version of ChatGPT. I'm in GPT-4, although again, it works with GPT 3.5 just as well. The first step, Command V, Control V, and I'm going to copy this in. You are a professional book writer and editor with 30 years experience. Generate a title for a book about, and this is the topic part. So I'm going to go new YouTubers learning video editor with Premiere Pro, but I just did that. So let's change this topic to something else. So, let's go how to grow a small YouTube channel into a big channel. Something like that, okay? I mean, you can pick any topic you want. I'm going to go how to help small YouTubers grow their channel. That's the general gist of what I want. Of course, by the way, I'm going to copy and paste all of these prompts that I use here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure that you have them. They're going to be in the description below, so you can copy and paste them verbatim, so you don't have to write all this down. So here, let's see what it says here. You're a professional book writer and an editor with 30 years experience. Generate a title. Okay, from modest to mighty, the definitive guide to transforming your small YouTube channel into a digital empire. Damn. Okay, we're going big on this one. Of course, you can change the name. I just wanted to give it some ideas and get the ball rolling. I'm going to go back to my other part here, and then here's what I'm going to type in next. I'm going to copy the second part of the prompt. So this is the second thing I'm going to do. I'm just going to copy it, and then I'm going to explain it to you. I'm going to copy it. I say, great. Generate a detailed book intro with a minimum of 500 words, including the book structure. I'm going to hit enter, and here we go. It's going to rock and roll, and it's going to go and give us an introduction, and it's also going to give us a sectioned out component just like this. So the books will be in like section 1, section 2. So let me show you an example here in mine. I created this, and then here it goes. So here's the beginning, and it says understanding the key concepts, and then it gave us these 5 different concepts, pardon me, and then it gave me the book structure, and it enumerated that as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it even goes ahead and gives me the chapters. So we'll get to that next. So here we go. I'm going to let this run its thing. I'm going to come back when it's done, then we're going to go to the next step. All right, welcome back. So it's gone ahead and done the introduction for me as I requested here. You'll see here I asked it to generate a detailed book intro with a minimum of 500 words, including book structure. So here's the intro. Welcome to From Modest to Mighty, the definitive guide to transforming your small YouTube channel into digital empire. Okay, sounds good so far. An indispensable platform, content creators. Okay, all standard stuff, a little bit boilerplate here. And then check this out. This book is divided into 6 main sections, each of which delves into the most critical aspects of growing your YouTube channel. Laying the foundation. In this section, we'll discuss the importance of developing a strong brand identity, defining your target audience, and crafting a unique value proposition. We'll also cover the technical basics, such as setting up your channel, optimizing your video quality, and managing copyrights. That's section 1. That is incredibly well written. That is exactly what should be in it. That's what's scary about this is not just some generic nonsense. This is really well thought out. GPT scares me. What's section 2? We'll cover that one. We'll focus on the heart of your channel, your content. We'll explore various content formats and genres, helping you identify what resonates with your audience. We'll discuss how to plan, script, and produce engaging videos that captivate viewers and encourage them to return for more. Absolutely amazingly well written. In fact, everything that comes out of GPT-4 is crazy. This is nuts. So anyways, this is how you do it. I'm going to go ahead now and copy in the next part of the prompt. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and copy this in. The next one we write in is we go, great, generate X number of book chapters and list them. I'm going to go with 10 chapters because I just want this to be, I don't want to take up all your time. But keep in mind that you can create as long a book as you want using this format and this prompt. So in this case, I'm going to do 10 chapters. We're going to hit enter. When they're done, I'm going to come back and we're going to go over them quickly, and then we'll go to the next part of the prompt. All right, it's done. So here we go. We've got our 10 chapters: crafting your channel identity, building a strong foundation, content is king, mastering the art of engaging video creation. Amazing title chapters, by the way. This is exactly what I would put in a book like this. Optimization unlocked, managing your YouTube visibility. I'm not sure about that one, but we'll see. Amplifying your reach beyond YouTube, collaboration and networking, growing together with fellow creators, fostering a thriving community. Holy smokes, monetization masterclass. I mean, this is crazy. And here's the thing. If you don't get what you want, let's say, okay, 10 chapters is good, but I want more. I'll just type in, great, give me 5. Okay, let's do 5 more chapters. Watch this. Here they come. Here we go. Consistency and time management, balancing quality and quantity, overcoming obstacles, resilience and adaptability in the face of challenges, expanding your brand, venturing into podcasts, live streams, and more. This is fantastic. Crazy good. Okay, that part is gone. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes here, or whatever. So here's the next part. I'm going to go, great. Now I'm going to get it to start writing the chapters. And this is the part where it gets pretty wild. So here we go. I type in, great, write chapter 1 with detailed information and more than 1,500 words. I'm going to hit enter. And one of the things I'm going to tell you up front here is while it writes this, do note that sometimes you don't get the entire chapter at once. If you don't, like if it stops midway through the chapter, all you have to do is type in continue and hit enter, and it will work. So anyways, I'm going to let it write its chapter. When it's done, I'm going to briefly review it, and then I'm going to show you the final step in the process. All right, so it is done, and I'm going to tell you right now, it's done an incredible job. Let's look at chapter 1, what we've got so far. Your YouTube channel. Building a strong foundation. What does it talk about? Step 1.1, defining your channel's purpose and vision. And then it breaks it down into asking yourself the following questions. What topics or themes do I want to explore on my channel? What are my long-term goals for my YouTube channel? And how do I want my channel to evolve over time? Excellent questions. Definitely something that should be in the chapter. Take time to reflect on it. 1.2, so it's even identifying into subsections. Identifying your target audience, incredibly important. Who is my ideal viewer? What are the demographics, age, gender, location? What are their interests and preferences? Exactly on target. Developing a unique value proposition, and then how you do it. Creating a consistent brand image, channel name, logo design, channel banner, channel trainer. Understanding YouTube's guidelines and best practices. Okay, also very important. Do notice here that we're at 1.5 and then it looks like it's stopped. So I'm going to go ahead and use the continue trick, and I'm going to come back when it's done writing chapter 1. All right, welcome back. So we hit the continue, or we did the continue trick, and then we can see here that it was talking about community guidelines. Then it went copyright and fair use. I typed in continue, hit enter, and then it said policy. So it's fair use, continue, policy. So this is how you do it. And then it talks about copyrighted materials. But if we look a little further, it says setting realistic goals and expectations. That's section 1.6, and then it gives you some ideas on what you can work on. Improve your retention rates. You can improve the number of comments and likes on your videos, collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche, learning new video techniques and production skills. Also, all very important parts. Definitely something I would put in an introductory chapter if I wrote my own version of this. And then it talks about building a content strategy, brainstorming ideas, editorial calendar. I mean, it's just amazing. This is absolutely shocking how good this is. Investing in quality equipment and software, some options for cameras, mics, lighting, tripods, stabilizer, different types of editing software, learning and improvement, the importance of a growth mindset. Absolutely stunningly well written. Anyways, I'm not here to try and make GPT into the greatest thing, but it is fantastic for this. I am going to write all of the rest of the chapters now, and I'm going to give you this ebook for free as well. So the last step, though, while I got you, before I summarize this all up, is all you got to do is go write a 1,500 word conclusion. So that is it. So once I'm done all of the chapters, and I've got like 15 more chapters or whatever I've got there, I'm going to type that in and hit enter, and it's going to write a conclusion. So let me write the chapters. I'm going to come back when it's done. We'll do the conclusion, and we'll call it a day. Hello, everybody. Welcome back. So we've written out now 15 chapters, and here's how you do it. Just like I was showing you earlier, you go, great, write chapter 15 with detailed information and more than 1,500 words, and then when you hit the full amount, then ChatGPT can't add any more. You just type in continue. The last step I'm going to show you is I'm going to go write a 2,000 word conclusion. Let's go summary. You can do summary or conclusion to this ebook. Enter. Now it's going to summarize it and kind of cook it all up, and then that will be it. When this is done, that is literally the whole book. The next step after that is you can just transfer it into a Microsoft Word document. Like here's an example. Here's the one book that I'm going to give you guys for free. It's the Learning Adobe Premiere Pro book, and it's 53 pages long, and it's all, it's mostly single spaced. It's 12 font. It's 21,000 words, and I just copy and pasted it in from here into Microsoft Word, and then you just do a little bit of formatting, and that's it. It's all done. So there you go, guys. That is how you make incredible ebooks with ChatGPT. That's the whole trick. Thanks for watching.